Mabuhay! Maayong hapon mga Cagayanon. Muana ako sa Cagayan de Oro sa May 2 para sa akong homecoming. Adunay motorcade na mo hitabot ay ninyo kalimti na mo adto sa SM para sa akong meet and greet. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan.
Pianatics, alam ko marami pang mga ibang pianatics dyan na unfortunately weren't able to make it here today because malayo silang nakatira siguro sa probinsya or maybe hindi na umabot dun sa slots. Although kanina while we were doing the program, I already asked some of them na kung meron na mga tao sa labas, papasukin na sila at papanikin na. Kasi I think the venue can accommodate everybody naman. So far, nakatapos lang ng program and nakakain na lahat. Some of them left already, but I think there's still a few more people inside. Sakto lang because we're still waiting for Mario Dumawal. But anyway, thank you so much for all your support. I've been working very hard in getting in shape, training every day, and preparing for Miss Universe. I know that there's a lot of controversy, a lot of changes. Very exciting yung magiging edition ng Miss Universe this year dahil we don't know what to expect anymore. Kaya even me, I'm doing my homework, I'm training hard every day. You guys can trust me on this that I'm really doing everything that I can to make sure that I'm prepared for this pageant. So again, all I'm asking is for your prayers, your continued support. Please continue on praying for me and supporting me. And I hope that yun lang yung talagang wish ko is that I win and then I make everybody proud, make all the Filipinos proud and represent the Philippines in the 100% best that I can. That's my birthday wish. And also, ano po ba? Nag-open naman ako ng mga videos as the months come along bago ko umalis, ganyan. So, for now, thank you so much. Makikita ko naman yung mga birthday greetings here because I check the group, I check the pages, I check my Instagram, I check my Twitter. Although I'm not able to reply to each one of them because it's a little overwhelming, medyo marami. But I read it, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. So, I'm very happy, I'm very overwhelmed. This is my first birthday na
Miss Universe.
Mayroon akong family dito kahit na wala yung family ko dito. Kaya I'm very happy and thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you.